Here's the 60-second script. Did you know that getting your ratios wrong can throw off an entire recipe, chemical formula, or business budget? Even a small miscalculation can cost you time, money, and frustration. That's exactly why we built the Ratio Interactive Calculator, a free tool that instantly solves ratio problems for you. Just enter your known values, and the calculator figures out the missing piece. Whether you're scaling a recipe from 4 servings to 18, adjusting a concrete mix, or splitting costs proportionally, it handles the math in seconds. Here's a quick example. If a recipe uses 2 cups of flour for every 3 cups of water, and you want to use 9 cups of water, just plug in those numbers. The calculator immediately tells you that you need 6 cups of flour. No formulas, no guesswork, just accurate answers instantly. Try the Ratio Interactive Calculator for free. The link is right below this video. Word count